The tycoon Elon Musk and YouTuber MrBeast's friendship has taken a really good turn in the last few months. Are they deciding to collaborate? How will the influencer help the tech tycoon in his breakthrough? Keep watching to find out. Elon Musk, a business tycoon and engineer, is Jimmy MrBeast Donaldson's ideal partner, he recently claimed. The 24-year-old YouTube personality recently turned to Twitter to join in a conversation with followers in the comments section of his tweet, in which he responded to several intriguing questions. Twitter quickly became active as fans anxiously tried to mention SpaceX CEO Elon Musk to bring about MrBeast's expressed interest in working with him in an official capacity. Elon Musk gave a staggering 1 million trees to MrBeast's group trees worked back in 2019. And MrBeast graciously thanked him for his generosity. This gave rise to the well-known nickname Tree Elon Musk, which quickly became trendy on Twitter for a few months. Elon Musk has a long admiration for MrBeast, who has previously stated that he views him as a role model. In 2020, MrBeast tweeted that he had bought a Tesla. "Thank you," Elon Musk said in response. "We strive to satisfy." MrBeast uploaded a picture of a SpaceX launch in a separate post and pleaded with Elon Musk for a free trip into space. Elon Musk responded, "Free seats to orbit for the first YouTuber that can carry the channel to 10 million subs, reliably deliver payloads to orbit, and land Starship without a scratch." Considering this, his recent response caused another internet uproar. Many Twitter users quickly started a petition calling for a MrBeast and Elon Musk collaboration. He has revealed emails and confidential messages about his workers in addition to picking fights with the media. He argued with Apple, revived Donald Trump's account after a Twitter poll, and most recently began talking about the potential of his death. Knowing MrBeast, a partnership with one of the world's most powerful and wealthy people is possible. Notably, Musk shocked everybody on Monday after he put out a poll asking if he should keep leading Twitter or not. Should I step down as head of Twitter? With yes and no as the only two choices, Musk tweeted, "I will abide by the results of this poll." Though Musk found himself in a pickle after most voters chose no, the quirky billionaire announced he was looking for a new CEO after he hesitated and said only Twitter Blue members could vote in the future. Musk tweeted that he would resign from the CEO position when he finds someone foolish enough to take up his position in the company. After that, he will run the software and server teams. MrBeast has had a tremendous year so far, and his global personality is still growing into a model brand all on its own. On November 22nd, Musk posted a chart image to Twitter with a statement, "Twitter added 1.6 million daily active users this past week, another all-time high." In response to Musk's post later that day, Donaldson, with over 114 million YouTube followers, wrote, "I wonder what YouTube's daily actives are." Data from YouTube indicates that the site has more than 2 billion active viewers per month. Let's see what happens when Twitter offers good video with higher compensation for creators, Musk tweeted in response to Donaldson. In response, Donaldson claimed it would be hard for Twitter to pay content creators more than what YouTube pays now because creators may still make a sizable amount of revenue from YouTube movies' ad income even after the company takes their cut. Elon Musk and his beliefs are honored in MrBeast's room. Jimmy's heart was among the many that the Team Tree's contribution won. He often spoke of his admiration for Musk and desire to use the wealth for a better purpose. Also, he acknowledged that he had chosen Musk over other global affluent like Jeff Bezos and Bill Gates. On the Flagrant show, MrBeast praised Musk for using the assets at his disposal to advance technology and praised his plan to create a chip for the brain that would enable verbal communication without words. He provided his justification for choosing Musk over everyone else by drawing a comparison to Bezos' $600 million boat purchase. MrBeast asked Elon Musk for Twitter and received a $1 billion promise. In 2022, the news about Musk purchasing Twitter was the most popular. The rumor became true when Musk paid $44 billion to acquire Twitter. The agreement that MrBeast and Musk had struck a chord with a fiance, among other things. In May 2022, Musk posted on Twitter, "If I die under mysterious circumstances, it's been nice knowing you." MrBeast asked if he could take him and head to Twitter if that happens. Musk concurred, and the people around him largely embraced the notion of Musk giving MrBeast control of Twitter. Since then, the notion of Musk giving MrBeast control of Twitter has gained popularity in the community. Things became chilly, but Elon Musk and Twitter were cooking up something. It wasn't widely agreed upon in the community that Musk should become the new CEO of Twitter. The entrepreneur took some significant actions as he was setting into his office and adjusting to the new atmosphere with a new crew. His departure was made difficult by a number of recurrent problems, one of which shocked the community at large: layoffs. The end of Twitter was rumored after members of Twitter were denied access to their headquarters in November 2022. When many streamers and influencers expressed their views about the sudden change, the hashtag RIP Twitter trended. MrBeast offers advice on how to transform Twitter. Musk had been actively responding to tweets on the network and updating users on the latest developments. The return of Vine to the network was one change that MrBeast found interesting. On Twitter, a program called Vine allows users to share brief videos with other users. MrBeast offered his first-hand opinions on improving the service to benefit the system and creators worldwide in response to this change. There hasn't been any recent development in this area, but it's undeniable that their comments showed how highly they value each other's viewpoints. Musk is asked to leave Twitter by upset users who MrBeast also blasts. Musk's time as Twitter CEO wasn't a bed of roses. The unexpected changes caught the community off guard, which divided people. Some people embraced the changes, while others opposed them. Jimmy had also expressed anguish with Musk on the change. A survey about Musk's resignation as CEO of Twitter has been launched. To the Twitter post, MrBeast replied, "If you're going to keep down stuff like this, yes." He also dropped hints regarding the stuff that would govern the policy of eliminating all free promotion on blocked third-party social networking platforms like Instagram, Facebook, Mastodon, etc. The community observed MrBeast speaking out against Musk at this point. However, the bond stayed the same because the two realized the importance of speaking up for one another's goodwill. MrBeast requests Twitter once more, which seems almost real this time. Even if the argument didn't grow worse, the friendship continued. Jimmy and Musk were often seen sharing comments and suggestions to help each other make progress for a better result. MrBeast produced interest in the CEO position since there were already widespread reports that Musk would be leaving his position on Twitter. The head of Twitter reacted to MrBeast asking about the CEO position by saying, "It's not out of the question." Therefore, based on the future, the concept is still up for discussion and may be implemented. Unexpectedly, MrBeast has also stated that would be his first order of business if he were to take over as CEO of Twitter. MrBeast's Twitter bio reads, "Twitter super official CEO," but it remains to be seen what happens in the future. Many people believe that the long-awaited day had finally arrived, which had already caused excitement to spread throughout the community. However, Jimmy becoming the Twitter of CEO is hardly credible, given the lack of any public announcement. The rising fame maintains that he sees himself as the head of Twitter. Given his field expertise and close ties with Musk, one could be interested in watching how the two design their paths on Twitter. Without question, they both serve as visionaries in their fields, which is why the idea of potential collaboration in a short time has caught the attention of the internet community. And that's all for today. Comment below with your thoughts on the partnership between these two powerful individuals. Thank you for watching.